Miguel Ángel Ramos. I am a digital workplace manager. Leroy Merlin Spain is a company to home conditioning and improvement, and we offer projects or do-it-yourself products. I choose active roles because we have Scripps legacy and manual process, and with active roles help us to deploy more easy. The benefit is we have a good organization, we have a standard product. The product offers us a good delegation in other colleagues in our company. In the past, we needed 24 hours for synchronization in different processes, and actually per night in 2 or 3 hours the process are good, and tomorrow every morning the employees has access to the company. We have a good technician, and with a good product, with One Identity, we can dedicate to other projects, because One Identity offers us a trust and the fiability with the process. In a big company, I consider that you have specific admins, but you need to delegate a specific process, and this government is fantastic for us because you have the control.